Nobody in the AI space wants to say this out loud, so I will. Adding Claude Cowork to a broken marketing strategy will not fix it. This is the last video in the series, and it might be the most important one. We've talked about what Cowork is, the workflows, the setup, the ethics rules. Now I want to give you the honest version of what AI can and can't do for your firm's marketing, because there's a lot of hype out there, and most of it skips this part entirely. The problem with just adding AI. The legal marketing world got very excited when Cowork launched. Lots of articles about how it's going to transform law firm marketing, automate everything, replace agencies, and some of that excitement is justified. This is a genuinely powerful tool. But here's what those articles don't say. Firms that just plugged in an AI tool without fixing their positioning, their message, or their processes saw little sustained impact. They produced more content faster, but more of the wrong content faster doesn't bring in more clients. The firms that got real results from AI did something different. They found a specific bottleneck first, a content backlog that never got cleared, pitch decks that took too long, reporting that nobody had time to do, and they built a workflow around that specific problem. The AI solved a real defined problem: what AI is and what AI isn't. Think of Cowork like a very powerful engine. An engine doesn't decide where the car goes. It just gets you there faster once you've picked a direction. If your firm doesn't have a clear niche, AI will help you produce generic content faster. If your messaging doesn't explain clearly why someone should pick you over the firm down the street, AI will help you publish that unclear message more often. That's not growth. That's just noise. The firms winning right now paired AI execution with three things: a clear niche focus, a strong brand narrative, and consistent follow-through on client relationships. AI handles the volume. Humans handle the strategy and the relationships. The three metrics that tell you if it's working. If you start using Cowork for marketing, track three things over the next 90 days. First, content velocity. How many pieces per month before Cowork and how many after? If that number doesn't go up meaningfully, you're not using it often enough. Second, time from idea to published. This should drop significantly. If it's not dropping, your review and approval process needs to be looked at. Third, qualified consults per channel, not just web traffic, not just email opens, actual consult bookings by source. This is the number that tells you whether the content is working, and Cowork performance analysis workflow can help you track it. Measure those three things, adjust what isn't moving, and you'll have a real picture of your ROI. The right way to start. Here's the honest, practical version of how to begin. Start with public content only. Pick one workflow from the second video in this series, probably the content package one. Run it once with existing assets, review the output carefully, publish it, see what happens. Don't try to automate everything at once. Don't upload your whole drive on day one. Start small, build confidence in the output quality, and expand from there. Surveys from 2025 show that the firms seeing the biggest gains from AI are the ones using it daily or weekly as part of their standard workflows, not as a one-off experiment. The tool gets better as you get better at using it. Start now, even if you start small. If this series helped, please subscribe, connect, follow. There's a lot more coming on AI tools for law firms.